Have you ever walked into a social event and immediately felt like you wanted to shrink into a corner? Like everyone else knows exactly what they're doing, and you're just standing there, overthinking everything? Well, here's the truth. Confidence isn't something you're born with. It's a skill. And just like any skill, you can hack it. In fact, there are 3 simple tricks that can instantly boost your confidence in any social situation. Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll have a game plan to walk into any room feeling self-assured and relaxed. Step 1. The power pose hack. Let's start with an easy one. Body language. Ever heard of the power pose trick from that famous TED Talk by Amy Cuddy? Here's the idea. Before you walk into a social setting, take 2 minutes alone. Bathroom, car, wherever, and stand like a superhero. Hands on hips, chest open, head high. It sounds silly, but research shows it lowers stress hormones and boosts confidence. Think about it. Our brains take cues from our bodies. If you look powerful, you feel powerful. So next time, before you enter a room, try it. You might be surprised by how much of a difference it makes. Step 2. Shift the spotlight. One of the biggest confidence killers? Over-focusing on yourself. What if I say something awkward? What if they don't like me? Here's an easy fix. Ask one open-ended question. What's been the best part of your week? How did you get into what you do? Not only does this take the pressure off you, but people love talking about themselves. Suddenly, instead of worrying about what to say next, you're engaged in a conversation that flows naturally. Step 3. Reframe failure. All right, let's talk about a mindset shift that can change everything. Failure reframing. We often fear awkward moments, but what if instead of dreading them, we asked, what's the funniest outcome? Like, what's the absolute worst that could happen? Maybe you mispronounce a word, maybe you trip. So what? Chances are people will either not notice or they'll laugh with you, not at you. Confidence isn't about perfection. It's about comfort with imperfection. The more you can laugh at yourself, the more magnetic you become. So there you have it. 3 simple hacks to boost your confidence instantly. Power pose for 2 minutes before an event. Ask one open-ended question to shift focus. Reframe awkward moments as funny, not frightening. Try these out at your next social event, and let me know in the comments which one worked best for you. And if you want more confidence-boosting tips, don't forget to like and subscribe. Now go out there and own the room.